Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just tap here on the right down corner to open the application. Here click yes, I agree, we close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And as can you see here, we got the temperature of our battery, that's 31 and 7 degrees. Also got here another info about our battery capacity, health and level, and info about the Android version and model of our device, and more other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.